This is your key fob. Most of the time, you'll just keep it in your purse or pocket. Your Tesla unlocks as you approach it with the key on you, and it's drivable as long as the key is inside the car. We recommend activating walk-away door lock. With this setting on, you can take entire trips without reaching for your key. When you walk away with your key, your Tesla will automatically lock. Walk-away door lock and other locks preferences can be adjusted from the touchscreen by tapping Controls and then Vehicle. We've hidden some buttons inside your key. Double press on the rear to open or close your liftgate. Press here once to stop your liftgate while it's moving. You can also press and hold here to open or unlatch your charge port. Double press on the windshield area to pop open your front trunk. The hood is made of aluminum, so it's much lighter than those of traditional cars. To close it, set it down gently and then lean into it with your palms on each side of the latch, like this. The locks button is on the roof of the key. A single press locks your Tesla, and a double press unlocks it. These buttons on the sides of the key control your Falcon Wing doors. We'll cover them soon. In case you're ever without your key fob, the Tesla app functions as a backup key as long as your phone and your car have connectivity. Just open the app and tap here to lock or unlock. Navigate the menus for remote access to numerous other controls, including your trunks. To drive your car using the Tesla app, tap here, confirm your credentials, and simply shift to drive or reverse within 2 minutes. You don't even need to be near your car to operate these mobile controls. You could be on the other side of the planet, or perhaps even on a different planet, and remotely allow someone to access and drive your Tesla. The Tesla app serves as a great backup key, but you should always keep your key fob with you and use it as the primary key. Simply walk up to your Tesla with your key, get inside, buckle up, press the brake pedal, and you're ready to shift to drive or reverse.